here.
Yay! It's time to plant our pollinator and vegetable gardens.
What's a pollinator?
Pollinators are creatures that move pollen from one plant to the other, helping in the pollination process. Pollinators include bees, flies, butterflies, hummingbirds, and more. Without these creatures, we would lose most of our fruits, vegetables, flowers, and more important plant life. Sadly, many pollinators are now in danger. They don't have as many places to live, as much food to eat, and are being hurt by chemicals like pesticides.
Planning your pollinator garden includes researching what kind of plants grow naturally, where you live, deciding what you want to plant and where you want to plant them.
These flowers are so important to pollinators. So it's worth planning a pollinator garden, whether you have a small window box, a front yard garden, or community garden.
Plant your sprouts when they seem strong and the weather gets nice outside. Everyone will love the beautiful flowers and the pollinators that come to visit them.